So what do we got here, Steven?
Xterra.
What are we going to do with this Xterra?
Try and break it.
What part are we not going to break?
The transmission.
Because I sold it. So let's get this thing running. Oh, you already left the booster pack on.
Did I?
Yeah, that's okay. Is that a supercharger? That way. That you can come and watch if you want. They asked us what way we're gonna go, so I told them. The gateway. Have you ever off-roaded before, Steven?
No!
Wow. So this means turn this way, this means turn this way. It doesn't matter if you're backing or forward.
What does this mean?
That means just like foot to the floor.
Okay.
That means go, 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 go.
Go, go!
Okay. Bus is right there. Ooh. Good thing I got a gimbal to make it smooth. Okay. So Steven is gonna go off-roading for his very first time. Oh, and look at this. We got some Jeeps we can follow. So let's talk about this vehicle. It's 100% bone stock Nissan Xterra. Go through there. It's got a little bit of a lift, but not much. Okay, stay tight to the rock, but don't like launch it. Go slow.
Like beside the rock, this side?
Yeah. What do you think of that so far?
That was easy.
Oh, we're getting into the whole group of stock Jeeps. So this Xterra can show these Jeeps up.
Yeah.
Well, let's go start filming stuff.
I guess we got a little crew.
Yeah.
A Jeep crew.
We're one of the Jeeps now. Let's go get a
I
duck.
thought you were super gay with figure eights. Now we're part of Jeeps. Alright, we're gonna let Zach show me how it's done because I've never done this before. So we're gonna see him get up here in the Xterra. Should I tell him the brakes are really good? See, this is why I wanted him to do it first, so I didn't look like too much of a turd. Tie rods say ow. I like how the tires are already fucking starting to turn in. There he goes. That steering's already sad.
Okay, hold that. Okay, go. Driver. Okay. There's a hydro line there. Okay, come ahead. This way just a bit. Yep. Probably power steering. Yeah, it was gonna flip, man. I told you to come off because it was on the front tire, lost all weight.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, and then we're gonna go this way.
We're leaving power steering. Other side. It's probably power steering.
Yeah, can't be transmission because it's manual.
Which way?
This way. No. No. So the farther you go that way, there's like 40-foot drop. Oh no, Steven, what happened?
I thought it just sucked up a whole bunch of water like a stupid fucking idiot.
It was thirsty. You know, superchargers make a lot of vacuum on the intake.
It's probably because I took the grill out.
Well, let's get her tugged out. Already recording. Just keep your hands away from the gimbal.
So if I keep going.
Is that a supercharger? Is that a supercharger?
It's kind of wet.
So we tried to make it so the superchargers were
There is
more
a little
compression
bit of,
with water.
There is a little bit of damage on the propellers.
Is there? Do they spin freely?
Yeah, look at them.
Oh, let me see. Watch your fingers. Oh, they don't even sound happy in there. That doesn't look like it sucked something up though. That looks previous to you.
I don't know.
Stephen, this is still full of water. Stick your finger in there. It's a whole lot of water. Oh, I forgot to
It's still working.
I didn't hit record on the other.
I just don't want it to come out red once. That would be upsetting.
How much water's in there, man? I didn't swamp it that bad.
It sucks in so much air.
It's like if there was a supercharger bolted to here to help suck water in or something.
Yeah.
So after hours and hours and probably 30 tampons, we've pulled out 5 of the 6 spark plugs. because we can't get at number 6 because it's at a horrible spot. Removing the supercharger plenums, we've determined,
Caesar salad.
yeah, she's full of water.
I fucked up.
What happened was he just got a little bit too rambunctious in the water and it just didn't survive. But
apparently if you take the grill off, it just goes.
yeah, all the water just gets funneled right through that headlight into the air filter. It was a fun time though. I think he learned a lot. He bounced it off some rocks.
Literally luck. Those block that.
It does kind of block that. This is what you're gonna bring next year, right? A tuned LS to bring in here?
Sounds like a different version of Caesar salad.
Yeah. Sounds like she loves the water too. But what did you learn from your first off-roading experience?
Slow through water.
Go slow through water. And how fun are rocks?
Alright. Pretty cool.
They're pretty cool.
I almost rolled this thing. That was cool.
Yeah, we got that on film.